Looking to install a new aftermarket stereo without sacrificing your car's factory look? The Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit offers a perfect solution. Designed to fit double DIN stereos with a maximum screen size of 3 13/16 by 6 13/16, 96. 8 mm by 173 mm, it ensures your new system sits flawlessly in the original dash location. What makes this dash kit stand out is its precision engineering. It delivers a gapless fit between the dash and the kit, so your stereo looks like it came straight from the factory. Plus, the color and texture match your car's dashboard perfectly, maintaining a seamless and professional appearance that enhances your vehicle's interior. Installation is a breeze. No special tools are needed, and the kit includes clear, step-by-step instructions. Whether you're a seasoned installer or a first-timer, you'll appreciate how straightforward this process is. It's designed to make your upgrade hassle-free, saving you time and frustration. Scosche has been a trusted name in car audio accessories for over 40 years. Their commitment to quality means you're getting a product that meets extremely high standards. Beyond the dash kit, they offer a wide range of installation accessories, all backed by lifetime tech support. That means expert help is just a call or click away for as long as you own the product. Customers across the United States praise this kit for making aftermarket stereos look stock. One user shared how it transformed their 2011 Malibu's radio installation with straightforward instructions and a flawless finish. Even though the kit fits many models and comes with extra parts, it's designed to work well for your specific vehicle. If you're ready to upgrade your car stereo without compromising style or fit, the Scosche Double DIN Dash Kit is worth a look. It combines easy installation, factory-quality appearance, and reliable support, all in one package. Plus, it's backed by Scosche's limited lifetime warranty, giving you confidence in your purchase. Why settle for a patchy or awkward stereo install? With Scosche, what you get is a clean, professional finish that lasts. If that's you, consider this dash kit your next step. Try it when you're ready and enjoy the perfect blend of form and function in your vehicle's audio upgrade.